Hi, so back again with another video, and in this video we are going to unbox and review a smartwatch. That's actually basically conventional smartwatch. So the best or the main advantage of this watch is that you do not have to charge every day, every single day, every week, every month. So most probably this charge battery can last up to 1 year or maybe more also, but at least 7 to 8 months easily. And it is a budget watch, which is very, you can say it's quite cheap to afford. So basically, okay, let's get started. So let me just open it and let's see what comes along. Okay, so let's put the box inside, and then we have this note, long press mode. It tells you how you can just first time start it or turn it on, and then you have this booklet with different languages like Dutch, English, and Spanish, Italian, so on. But I will try to explain each and every functionality so you don't have to worry about the book itself. So let's take it out. Mostly it comes with a kind of a wrapper or plastic bag. So let's get started. So when it is first time when you get this watch, probably what you will see, it you will not see any digit here. There will be battery included it. So what you have to do is you have to press this, the start and the mode button for 3 seconds or 4 seconds, so it depends, till it do not turn on. Do not release the buttons. So just you have to press both simultaneously at the same time and it will turn it on. And the next step what you have to do is you have to press this button. If you will see here, the Bluetooth icon is not there, then you have to press the light button for 3 seconds or until the Bluetooth icon appears here. And that means that you can now connect it with the mobile phone. Okay. So basically you can get this app. Its name is Sports Plus. You will see of course on the booklet also, but you will get it from the Play Store. Then you will need to turn on the Bluetooth and the location on the phone, and then you need to click here. It will search, and then you can have this icon X watch. You just need to tap one time and it will connect to the app, and then you can manually pull it down. Then it will sync with the watch and to tell how many steps and everything, so that you will know okay that you are connected. So there is one more option that you, when you will app is on, you just need to click on this camera option, and let me turn on the front camera. And if I click this start button right here, this button right here, then it will take a photo. For example, let's see. So that is one way you can actually take photos with it. That is a very good way. And then you can use of course the other option of running, walking, whatever you want. And then here you can see you can turn on the call reminder, the message reminder, QQ, WeChat, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Skype. So whenever you will turn it on, when the notification will come, what you will see is you will see here the call or the message icon blinking along with the chime sound. So that is the thing that you can do with the app. And if I put on side the app itself, then now I will tell you other functionality. So one time you sync it, you don't want to keep connected with the Bluetooth just to save battery or whatever reason, you can just press the light button for 3 seconds until you will see the Bluetooth icon turned off, as you can see here. Okay, so that is one thing. Now let's get into the thing that you can do. What if you don't want to connect to the app, then how you can set the time. So when time is here, then what you can do is press this reset button until it start. Yes. So when it's blinking with the start button, you can increase it, and then when you can press again the reset, it will go to minute. Then when you press again, it will go to second. Then it will go to 24-hour or 12-hour, and then it will go to back again. So when you will put mode, it will come back. Then this button shows the light. Of course I will try to show it, but you cannot see it in this much daylight. So basically this reset button, this is the start button for the camera. Also, if its app is connected, this is for the light, and this is for to change the mode. So for example, if I want to change the mode from here to now, we have 21 of July, Wednesday. We are on calendar. This is the steps that you did. This is the calories that you burned. This is the distance that you did in kilometer or miles. Now it is telling in miles. This is the alarm. So alarm also, you can press the reset button and it will. Now when this bell icon is there, when you press the start button, now it is off. Here you will see the rectangle goes off. When you will press it again, that means it is on, off. And then you can go, of course, again reset button, and it will give the to set the time for alarm. So with the start you can increase, and then for the mode, and that's all. And then when your last mode is the stopwatch mode. So when you press the start, it will start. You press again the start, it will stop it. And to reset, press the reset button, and there you go. So hopefully I explained each and everything for that. So the advantage is that it's very cheap, and one more advantage is you do not have to actually recharge it. You just have to put the cell button battery, and then for 6 or 7 months or even 1 year you don't have to worry about it. So when battery is low, here you will see a icon of battery blinking that shows that the battery is weak and you need to recharge it, or replace the battery, because you cannot recharge it. So you just have to unscrew it, you buy a battery, and then that's also. Actually here you cannot see through the camera, but there is the battery code written CR2450. So battery code is CR2450. I think you can see it a bit. Okay, yeah. So that's all about it. It tell you the date, time, light, it steps, calories burned, kilometers, or the distance that you did, alarm, and the stopwatch. And then here is the camera, which you can use as start when connected to the app using Bluetooth. And then you have the call and message reminder, or whenever the WhatsApp also message comes, it will give you the message, this message reminder with the chime or alarm sound. And that's all. I hope you like the video. One thing is that it's a bit thick for, you can say, for a thin wrist. For a small wrist it's a bit thick, but it's not much a problem. Nowadays people used to wear it, so it's not an issue. So yeah, basically water resistant up to 5 atm, I would say. And the model of this is AW01. I will try to put the link in the description, because many people ask from where we can get it. So I will put it directly using the actually European site, specifically the German, because I'm ordering only from the amazon.de, sorry. And you can of course use amazon.com to use the same model or same watch. You just have to write Beeasy, Beasy, AW01. That's the model, as you can see in the title also. So I hopefully you like the video, and of course give the thumbs up. And if you have any more issues or comments or any question to ask, feel free to ask, of course. And thank you for watching. Try to share and subscribe the channel, and that's all. Have a nice day.